Greetings, thanks for joining me today. I am going to be looking at the Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch. Now this one here is the baked chocolate peanut butter with nuts. Now I'll tell you what, you might have seen some of our other reviews of the Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch, but they really got me here with this one. I saw this one at the Costco and I was super excited because usually the Robert Irvine's Fit Crunch runs like $3.29 to $3.99 at the gas station or convenience stores. And usually they're like super filling. They're usually like 6 to 8 inches long, like almost 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick. And I saw this one here for, 18 bars. And I saw it for $16.99. I was like, oh my gosh, that's an amazing price. But they really got me, I'll tell you that. So I opened it up and these little bars are like half the size, half the thickness, and exactly half the macros. So they really got me. I was super excited. I thought that, wow, this was a steal, and they really got me. So this is definitely not the usual one that you find in other stores, in convenience stores, gas stations, stuff like that. You got me. So hopefully it tastes good because I was super excited about the price, but I guess you're definitely getting what you pay for. That's for sure. So this one here, once again, is the chocolate peanut butter, naturally flavored. It's a whey protein bar. We're eating these because we are on the keto low carb diet. So we look for ways to supplement our sweet tooth while staying within the guidelines of the keto diet. Let's look at the macros here. The total fat is 8 grams. The protein is 16 grams. Now, like I said, the other bar is like double. So the other bar has 32 grams of protein and 16 grams of fat. They really got me, that's for sure. The carbs on this is 14 grams of carbs with 1 dietary fiber and 8 sugar alcohols. So we minus 9 from that. And so that means each bar is 5 net carbs. So let's get into it, see how it tastes. As you will see, this one here isn't even 3/4 of my hand, and it's maybe an inch and a quarter thick. This one here has the peanut butter swirl on top. It's got the protein clusters in there, the crunchy clusters. So let's go ahead and try it. So it's got a lot going on in here. So on the top, you've got the chocolate, and then you've got soft peanut butter in the next layer, and then you have the protein cookie center. So the textures all work great together, just like the other Robert Irvine bars, the Fit Crunches. The texture is awesome. It's nice and soft when you bite into it, then it's crunchy, then it's soft again, and then it's got the firm protein dense cookie center. This one is really, really tasty. And I'll tell you what, when you're on the keto diet, you kind of get sick of peanut butter a little bit, but this is really good. It tastes super like milk chocolate. The flavor is phenomenal. Now, I do wish that for the price I paid, I did get the big bars where you see everywhere else. You never see these small ones. I wish we would have got the big bars. But this one still tastes really, really good. So far, we've tried the birthday cake. And we've tried the chocolate chip cookie dough. So this one here, pretty yummy. And you see it's actually melting on my fingers. So that chocolate is actually pretty yummy. It tastes sweet. There's no chemically aftertaste from the sugar alcohols. It's peanut butter and almost like peanut butter cookie dough. So it's really good. And I love the crunchiness from the little protein crunch clusters. That definitely kicks it up a notch. Really yummy. So minus the price and the size, I would have to give this one 4.5 to 5 stars. Super yummy, super tempting. I definitely just want to devour the whole thing right now. It's really good. Once again, 4.5 out of 5 stars. This is probably one of the best bars that I've tried. So you got me on the price and you got me on the packaging, but the flavor is spot on. Really, really tasty. So I really like this one. If this was helpful, smack that thumbs up. Please share it with anyone else who is on the low carb or keto diet, so maybe they can be helped with it as well. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support.